Hey everybody, Dave here from Trust Studios, and this morning I'm out in the greenhouse and I'm going to be doing some selective harvesting on this kale here, and I thought I'd show you guys. I had kale growing in the grow pipe for over a year with this method. Basically you're just selecting the outer leaves and leaving the little inner part growing, and then if it starts to go to seed at the end of the summer, usually it'll start to go to seed. Then I just cut the whole main stem down, just cut it all down, leave no leaves, and it sprouts back from that. And then you'll get another, basically I got another half a year out of it. So you're going to have kale in there for like over a year, about a year I think I had kale in this very grow pipe. But anyway guys, I'll zoom in here and show you exactly how we harvest this and what it looks like after we harvest. That's my cat BB you hear. I don't think you see him, but he's don't get up there. He's restless today. Anyway, so he's out here wandering around. But anyway, let's take a look at this. It's just I bring a little glass or vase to put my kale leaves in. I'm gonna make a kale salad out of this, and I love my kale finely chopped up with some garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of soy sauce or liquid aminos. So I'm going to do this whole one right here, and I'll probably do more than one, but I'm going to show you guys this one anyway. Finally starting to get like nice weather here. And so that is basically what you should have left. We'll do another one here. And that's what I love about the grow pipes, is they're just, I don't know, just make it easy, you know? So I think the 2 is enough. So that's what you got left, guys. Just this little trimmed up area. And you can see how they've locked into the pipe pretty well now. Sometimes they're a little floppy when they're young. Like this one's still a little floppy, but this one's locked in fully. So yeah, so just don't be afraid to trim these up, and like I said, even when if they start to flower, I just cut them just like that. Okay guys, so there it is. Big beautiful batch of kale. So this will be my my salad with my lunch. Keep trimming it like that throughout the summer, and then in the fall I'll just cut it all the way down. If it starts to flower, I'll just cut it all the way down till it looks like there's no leaves, and just leave a little like 1-inch stub, and it'll grow back from there. And often you'll get like 2 or 3 more stalks growing off instead of just one central stalk. Just like if you trim basil or anything else, it'll make multiple stalks. So then you'll get another nice batch of kale started, and it'll last for another 6 months or so before it starts, depending on the weather, before it starts to try to seed again. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Take care.